So I know you like a big set of nesting dies. You absolutely love them. So how would you like wishing you a beautiful day, and on your special day? These are huge dies. You need an A4 plate to get the most out of these. And the configurations that you've got in these collections are amazing. And now I have my big boards here, and these are just some of the configurations that you can do. I mean, these are huge. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. So these can be your card blanks as well as your decorations. But look at all the different design that you've got in there. I mean, is that the right way around? No, it's not. Let's put it that way. You can actually read the sentiment in there as well. You can bet your bottom dollar by the time we get to the next one, it's going to be upside down. But look at all those different ones. Now in this collection, you've even got corner aspects as well. Use the corners on their own if you want, but the detailing is beautiful. This is your second one. This is more of a circular design within there. Absolutely gorgeous detail all the way down. Now, is it going to be the right way up? Is it the right way up? Yes! So look at all that lovely, lovely design in there, even down to the little diddy ones here, your corners as well. They are beautiful. And I have to say, some of the cards that the girls have made are beautiful. Look at the size difference, okay? So 8x8 and a 5x7. It does all sizes with no problem at all. I hope you like them as much as we do, and I shall see you very soon.